cannot believe I have all these baby potatoes that have just grown from an organic Trader Joe's potato that I just stuck in the ground. Well, these are the leaves and they started dying, and then I just pulled them out and look at these. Oh my gosh, some of them are really too babyish. I don't think they're worth salvaging. Maybe they are. If any of you guys know out there, let me know. But I keep digging. Oh my gosh, look at that. These are super cool. So some of them are too small. They're like, oh my gosh. This is great. Look at that. We have a feast. Let's see if there's any more. A couple more there. Little babies here. A couple babies. I'm just gonna keep digging. Oh my goodness, look at that. I keep digging and there's more. Oh wait. Ah! I'm not sure what that is. I'm not sure what that is. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna leave it because it's probably compost. Okay, yeah, there goes another one. He is probably gonna turn into a plant. So I think I'm gonna leave him in there. Any more? Digging, digging, digging. Okay, and maybe that's what happened. Some of them just didn't grow into anything. Let's see, this one we pulled out. This one we pulled out. I'll just toss those guys there, and I'll just dig a little bit more just to see if maybe it feels a little dry over here. Oh. This is pretty cool. Oh wait, something. Could be nothing. I don't know. Little babies. Break that up there, kinda. I think that's it. Oh, that was the one we just planted. We'll leave him in there and see what he becomes. Maybe he'll give us some more beautiful red baby potatoes. Ah, that's that nasty thing I just keep touching. I don't know why. But, well, that was my excitement for the day. I'm really thrilled with that. So, organic potatoes from my garden. Okay, see you, Anna. I'm gonna go ahead.